gardening quick tip for you today, and it has to do with these and these. So it's early summer and I'm here with my endless summer blue hydrangeas. So this quick tip will apply to all of your blue hydrangeas. It is time to cut your stalks down on your hydrangeas. So I usually leave them until now. That way you can see all of the lush new growth and you won't be trimming that off when it's all sticks. And then you just trim down the twigs and you hide them inside the hydrangea. This is really going to improve the appearance of them. You don't want to cut them all the way down because you can see this new growth here and it's very soft and it will get floppy. So if you cut these down just a little bit, it'll just act as a cage for your hydrangea. That's it for quick tips. If you want more of them, please check out our channel, Down to Earth Gardening and Design.